Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the additional of Saturday August the 1st 2020. We have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic. Total of 6 Sudokus. And before I start, this Sudoku is a number 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. Yes, 1, 2, 6, 7. And I always count the printed numbers in the Sudoku of the Sudoku. So let me count. We have here 5, 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 5 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Yes, 27 printed digits in the Sudoku. Always for a 1 star. So let's get started. Alright, so let me see. We have here in this column 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers, the 3 and the 7, are missing in this column. Cannot be in these 2 boxes because it's in this big square. So the 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 7 already, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. The other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 already, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 8 goes there. Then let me see for other digits. How about the number? Well, let me continue with this big square. One of the missing number here is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. Oh, then. How about the 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And then 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. How about the number? Yeah. We have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing number is a 4 and a 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 4 and a 9, let me mark them for you so it's easier to follow. The other 2 boxes should be the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes. The first digit, alright. And now, nine, 2, and 7, yes. In this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in this row, a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 6, 8, and 2. I'm missing the number 2. 8 and 2. Alright. We have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. We have a pair in this big square. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, we have a 2 over there. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers, the 2 is missing. I see here 2, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here and could be there. I cannot complete the 2 because we have also here missing the 2, but these two numbers should be the numbers 7 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so in the last row. Only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore, and this should be the 9, and this should be the 4. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places for the 9, here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and the 5 is missing in this column, the third column. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers missing in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, the 6 and the 7. Let me mark them for you. The other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. Well, these 2 numbers in the second row, 5 is missing and the 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, 5 and the 8. How about 2? Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see, yes. And I've eliminated the 2 because one of those 2 dots I have marked was for the 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Then 1 box left in this column for the number 8. And I've eliminated one of the 2 dots for the 2. So this box should be the 2. 2 here, 2 there. So here must be a 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 1 box left in this first row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row, the third row for the number 6. 8 and 5 are missing in this big square. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 6 goes there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now I have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7. This should be the 7, and this should be the 6. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second one, a 2 stars Sudoku. Thank you and bye bye.